Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Nearby Share uses both radios for discovery and transfer, so turn them on now. Next, open Settings, go to System, then Nearby Share, and set your device visibility to either contacts or everyone depending on privacy needs. Make sure you choose data and transfer preferences so the PC can use the best connection available. Once done, your machine will appear to nearby devices when they start their share flow. Now, pick a file and initiate the transfer. Right-click any file or use File Explorer's Share button and choose Nearby Share. Your PC will scan for nearby devices. When the recipient appears, select it. Names and avatars help you confirm the right machine. The receiver must accept the incoming request, and Windows may prompt to allow a connection. Allow it. Once accepted, Nearby Share negotiates a direct Wi-Fi or Bluetooth link, selecting the fastest available channel for the actual file copy. Finish by watching the transfer progress in notifications. Nearby Share shows a progress bar and confirms when the file lands, usually in downloads. After completion, organize the file, move it, rename it, or open it to verify integrity. If something goes wrong, first check visibility settings and signal strength. Then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, and if required, reboot both PCs to clear hung services. That simple restart fixes most discovery and negotiation issues. Try it before deep.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.